News of Israel launching strikes against Iran has hit market sentiment on Friday, driving risk off trade and sending oil prices surging. Geopolitical tensions in the Middle East ramped up as Israel targeted Iran's nuclear ballistic missile facilities, and Iran retaliated with drone strikes. Now, oil has surged on fears of supply being affected, briefly spiked as much as 11% higher to 77.50, marking the largest one-day gain in over 5 years. But the price has eased back now. It's trading up around 7% at the time of recording. Meanwhile, European shares have fallen to a 3-week low on that risk-off sentiment, with airlines and cruise stocks underperforming, whilst defence stocks such as BAE Systems and Rheinmetall, as well as energy stocks, are pushing higher. Safe havens are also performing well. We've got gold trading above the 3,400 level, spiked to a high of 3,444 on that safe haven demand. And in the FX market, safe havens are also performing well. We've got the classic yen safe haven drive, also the Swiss franc performing well. And I think it's quite interesting to see that the US dollar is also performing as we'd expect it to, as a safe haven for the first time in months. Now, whether the escalation continues or not remains to be seen, but do watch out for our StoneX videos in the coming days, where our analysts will track this escalation and developments in the Middle East and what they mean for the markets.